Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a new root file system. First, let's download the Linux rootfs tarball from the Alpine Linux web page. Here they have various Linux versions. What we need is a mini rootfs or the root file system tarball, and we could download it from here. I wanted a x86 64 rootfs tarball, which is without any kernel. All it would have is just the directories and the files. It will not have any kernel because we are interested in booting up a container, so we don't want any kernel inside it. And that's what this mini rootfs file system used for creating containers and minimal roots. Okay, so let's go and download this. The command is over here, so let's take this URL rootfs directory, right? Then change my directory to this one, and then I'll do a wget over here. Awesome. So it downloaded the Alpine Linux minimal rootfs without any kernel. Now I will untar this file. Beautiful. It has untarred all the files. It needs root permission. So let's say, see, it has untarred and then created all the root file system directories you typically see in any Linux systems. But our current working directory is under /home ganigans rootfs. Now what I'm going to do is jump into this directory, the rootfs directory, as a chroot. Chroot means change root file system. So I'm going to change the root file system of this particular machine to a new one. Now currently I am in my home directory. You see the rootfs directory that we have created. We can even do a ls of the rootfs. It has all the root file system directories. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the root file system of the current machine to the new one. So the command to execute is sudo chroot, which is a chroot command, and we wanted to specify the rootfs directory and the command to execute after we get into the root file directory. Beautiful. So we are right now inside a new file system namespace. If I do pwd, it shows / as the root. If I do who am I, it will say I am root of this particular new file system namespace. It's more like I'm inside a container now. I can do which who am I, and it will say it's under /user /bin /who am I. This /user /bin is actually under /home /ganigans /root file system /user /bin /who am I. That's the actual absolute path, but because we have executed this chroot command, it gives us the impression that as if we are under /user /bin /who am I. So this is what chroot does. It actually creates a new root file system namespace for us, and if we run any process here, the process will be attached to this particular root file system. If we do exit, we go back to the host file system. So if we do here ls, we are actually doing ls at the home directory. Again, if you wanted to get back into the root file system, change the root file system and create a new rootfs, we can do the command again. We are back again in the rootfs that we downloaded from the internet, which is the Alpine Linux rootfs. So that's what the chroot does.